Hi, early birds. How are you today? I hope you're doing great. Last time we planted some seeds, so I hope yours has grown. And here's mine. There's the one we planted in the dirt. It's grown a little bit. And this one in the jar got a few leaves, and there's roots. I have something else to show you. I brought our hermit crabs to my home to take care of them while the school is out. So there they are. I put them on a towel. I thought they'd like better. Oh, there's Pinchy is moving around, and there's Charlie. Charlie a little shy or scared. Most of the time he just stays in his shell. But Pinchy likes to go around and check everything out. There you go. You want to say hi to your early birds? To your friends? Hi, Charlie. Hi, Pinchy. And this is their tank. I keep them clean. I bought them a log. They like to go under the log and sleep. Sometimes they like to hide. And I put a sponge in their water bowl. That's why they like to drink from the sponge. And I put a few shells. Hermit crab likes to go inside some shells. And I got them a special food, but they love their crackers. And there's some carrots. Sometimes I give them a treat. They need to have some nutrition. And their treat is vegetable. Broccoli, lettuce, and today I put carrot, a piece of carrot. For some reason, they still like their crackers. All right, let's go back, see what are they doing. Oh, there's Pinchy is still walking around. And Charlie's still staying in the same spot. Charlie, come out. Let's walk around. All right. There's Pinchy's coming toward me. So next week, they're going to go visit Miss Ainsley. So they're going to spend some time with her. There you go. And there's Mr. Charlie. All right, guys. All right. Let's put you back by your friend. There you go. All right, you want to say bye to your friend? Bye, early birds. I guess I see you guys next time. Hopefully, I can see you on Zoom next week. You guys have a great day. I hope you enjoyed this video. I love you guys. I miss you. Bye.